your business card?
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
We do as-built documentation in 2 and 3D. We're an architectural firm and or an owner. And what we will do is go out and draw things for you in AutoCAD, Revit, or MicroStation.
We sell a variety of seating products and fixed tables. We've been in business since 1925 and we manufacture here in the U.S. using all U.S. steel. We actually, on our chairs, we cut our legs on an angle so you have full contact with the floor at all times. Oh, they are very comfortable. Depending on what variety you use, you know.
Why Oasis?
Why Oasis? Antimicrobial, water conservation. The antimicrobial additive is an alpha sand product. We put the antimicrobial in the bubbler, all 4 touch pads, and the front nose. Prevents the growth of molds, mildews, viruses, staph infection. All of our units are galvanized steel, the powder coat finish.
Can I answer any questions?
Yes, tell me about Solitude.
Okay, what you're looking at is an optical daylighting system. So we are not a skylight. We're actually a new product category which turned a tubular daylighting device. It's a product that we invented back in the mid-'80s, and so we are an optical system from top to bottom using very precise refractive and reflective optics that allow you to very effectively collect, redirect and transport, and ultimately diffuse daylight into any building. Treat it just like you would a light fixture. Familiar with the Maristar at all, or?
No, we're not really. Tell me about it.
Well, we're an ornamental fence manufacturer out of Tulsa, Oklahoma. We manufacture both steel and aluminum fencing. The latest that we've done is a product called Montage. Montage is a product that has an E-coat finish on it. It's got a 20-year warranty against corrosion.
And it's environmentally friendly?
It is environmentally friendly. E-coating is the same coating that they're using on the automobiles these days. The nice thing about it is it's a maintenance-free product. So, like I said, you're going to put that on, 20 years later, you're never going to have to worry about the fact that it's going to still be there in the same shape that it was.
What's your product?
We manufacture theatrical stage rigging. We've been in business since 1885. We know what we're doing.
How you doing today?
Fine. What's Handlight?
Handlight? Well, we're an importer distributor of bamboo, cork.
So that's the green, the sustainable
green
thing?
Yeah, exactly. We're very eco-friendly. But we're based in Denver, Colorado.
Are these bamboo or?
Yeah, these are cork right here.
Oh, okay.
And then right behind me is the bamboo. These two are strand woven. Right here. We do a lot of commercial applications with these. And then as far as these, we do a lot of residential.
WeatherBug, we are the world's largest weather network. We have over 8,500 weather stations installed at schools across the country. Students basically use it to learn geography, mapping, science, math, technology, all via online interactive lessons and time-lapse photography.
Well, Sprung is a building alternative that we offer a clear span. It's made up of aluminum I-beam with a membrane stretched across. It can be fully insulated. So as you can see with the high ceilings and the clear span, it's good for gymnasiums, auditoriums, cafeterias. No foundations are really required, or you can build it as a permanent building for a permanent fixture on site.
And it holds up well in the wind? And
yep, it's designed, I mean, we're in 96 different countries, so the furthest north that we are is the 80 miles south of the Matic North Pole, and we're down in the Carolinas and Florida where there's 130, 140 mile an hour wind loads down there. So
SSRCX CCI is a joint venture firm that provides commissioning services for schools, hospitals, large universities. Commissioning requires us to evaluate the systems that are installed to verify that they function as intended.
Why does water jet work?
We cut material with highly pressurized water for schools and other markets. We cut carpet, stone, steel, sheet vinyl, VCT, high quality wood, and we do a lot of logo work.
This is the Dyson Airblade, designed by James Dyson of the Dyson vacuum cleaner fame. It came from some motor technology we were working on. This uses a 1400 watt motor to spin air at 81,000 RPM. Goes through a HEPA filter around the motor. It comes out these two slots at 400 miles an hour. It dries hands hygienically in just 12 seconds. So you're going to drop your hand in, up to your wrist.
Okay.
Drop your hand in just like this. And instead of pull it up and down slowly through that airflow, sort of like a car wash blower, but a very fine 0.3 millimeter slot. And it's basically, as opposed to drying your hand on the principle of evaporation, it's more like an air squeegee. And it's stripping the air right off your skin. That's right.
Dry.
I didn't lie.
Nudura is an insulated concrete form system. This is a replacement for other structural wall systems. What you're getting is 2 layers of EPS foam encasing concrete continuous throughout.
Why is it green, Bill?
Well, it's green because it's going to reduce material use out in the field. It's going to reduce job site waste. This product will enhance the efficiency of your building by about 50%. Over using a lower insulated value wall. So you are very, very energy efficient.
KE FiberTech.
KE FiberTech.
That's our name, yeah. It's a fabric duct. Instead of using conventional metal duct, we actually use a porous polyester fabric. You don't have to insulate it, no condensation. Very easy product to install. Instead of having a big bulky metal duct, you just have sections of fabric duct that zipper together. The track comes in 8-foot sections, and we have joints, and then these little clips snap on. You can use either threaded rod or cable to the ceiling. So you save about 50% on your installation cost for labor.
What does green mean?
Oh, Fisher Sips. Structural insulated panels, efficient design, efficient use of materials, both in how we put them together and then waste on the job site. They incorporate essentially all the framing. For any framing company can put them up, so they're a new technology, yet they still utilize the people that are in place.
Why is it green?
The energy efficiency, the use of again, OSB is a much more very little framing involved in a SIP structure. The panel itself is the structure.
We publish 2 magazines that serve the education facilities market. One is School Planning and Management, and the other is College Planning and Management. Peter Lee Education Group is the publisher, and they're out every month to serve architects, facility planners, construction firms, school boards, etc.
What's your product?
We're selling the best playground equipment in the country, in the world.
Is that right?
Yes, absolutely. Our locking system, this is a power lock system. Most of our competitors are going to use a clamp that goes around the upright. We use this power lock system. It makes it much sturdier, much easier to replace equipment, much more visually appealing. We lead in accessibility. As you can see on our panel right here, we have double wide ramps.
And what's your company called?
Game Time.
Where are you located?
Our manufacturing plant is in northern Alabama, which is Fort Payne, and we have representatives all over the country and throughout the world.
Made in America?
Yes, sir. Made in America.
Completely different.
Hydrotech is a company that's involved in green roofs. Our product is called Garden Roof Assemblies, and we do everything from the deck up, waterproofing, insulation, the garden roof components, soil, and vegetation.
And these are the kinds of plants that are up on them?
One type of plant, yes, a sedum is used for extensive green roofs. There are a couple different types of green roofs, extensive and intensive.